Hello, Zoe Darlington here from Pure Improvement. I hope you're all okay. It's been a while since I've posted on here, so it's just a quick update to let you know about some interesting content I've been working on. So I'm quite excited about this. As from next week, I'll be posting step by step how to run a successful continuous improvement program. So that's a continuous improvement program that will help you to reduce costs, save money, save time, reduce waste, improve quality, and reduce defects. Whatever your operational objectives are, this continuous improvement program can help you. So I'll be taking you through my 3Ps, starting with planning, so how to plan a continuous improvement project, and program, which is the framework, the process for delivering a continuous improvement program, and my favorite, perform, which is about the people, the action, how to get people to deliver results. So yeah, stay posted. As from next week, I'll be taking you through step by step. If you've got any questions, pop them into the comments below, or if you've got any suggestions, anything you'd like me to cover. If you want to share, please share away and tag anybody in who you think might benefit from this. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So I'll see you here next week. Thank you.